Hey guys, this is Morris here. Welcome back to the new video. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you a perfect graphics mode that looks significantly better than GTA 5. So if you are interested in this type of mod, then please make sure to watch this video till end. So first of all, let's talk about the system requirements in order to play this mod. So before you go to install, let me tell you something. Don't you dare to install it on a low-end PC, because this mod is not designed for low-end PC. This mod is designed for medium to high-end PC. Well, if you have medium to high-end PC, now what do you mean by medium and high-end? So let me tell you the system requirements in order to play this mod. Well, you need at least 4 GB of RAM, any quad-core processor, and 2 GB of dedicated graphics card. Well, if you have this type of system requirements, then you can easily play this graphics mode into lowest resolution as possible and lowest setting as possible. Well, that's all the minimum specification of this mode. We should move towards our recommended specs. In order to play this mod into the 60 to 70 FPS, you need at least GTX 1060 6GB, GTX 1660 Super, or RTX 2060. Well, if you have this type of system requirements, then you can easily play this graphics mode into 60 FPS. I'm pretty sure about that. So that's all the specification of this mode. We should move to installation video. So without any further ado, let's get started to the video, guys. But wait, before getting started, please make sure to leave a like on this video, share this video to as much you can, and if you're new, then what are you doing? Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started to the video, guys. So my friend, as you can see, we are in our desktop screen, and first thing you need to download all this file from the given link in the description. First of all, extract your optional 2.0 folder into a desktop or any specific folder you want to extract. Now download of this file is pretty easy. Now if you have any trouble while downloading my files, then you can check the links in iCard, or you can find the links on description. Once you open your game directory, open your slew SLoader plus mod loader folder, and then from only drag and drop the selected file. Once you did, go back and search for your env.exe, and then just drag and drop env.exe into a game directory. From here, what you need to do is open your white graphics folder, and then accept this to Warwish file. Make sure to drag and drop all this file into your game directory. Now minimize or close both of this window, and then extract your main mod. Now once you have extracted the main mod, from here what you need to do is open your game directory, and then open copy to the game folder, and then just drag and drop all this file into your game directory. And it's pretty easy, you know. Now just run env.exe and your game will 100% start. Now here you have to select a graphics card. In my case, I have GTX 1050 Ti. So the performance were not too good, but we can say just it's good, you know. So okay, let's run the game. Oh, there we go. Okay, so as you can see, our game looks too awesome, isn't it? So just hold on a second. Now press home from your keyboard, and then click on this little triangle, and then select the last option. And then as you can see, now if you want some extra frames, then turn off the AOF. That is a depth of field effect, you know. Now if you don't like the depth of field, then you can turn it off. So thank you so much for watching till end, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to leave a like on this video, share this video to as much you can, and if you're new, then what are you doing? Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. So yeah, as always, I'll see you into the next one. Till then, goodbye.